Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones not pairing on connect to your any Android, or you are getting no sound, no worries, let's fix it together. So first you have to check if any old or unused device are causing the problem. Remove those from the Bluetooth list and make sure your Sony headphones are automatically connected to another device. If they are, disconnect them, then try pairing again with your device. If it still doesn't connect, just go for settings and turn off your Bluetooth, restart your Android device, then turn Bluetooth back on. Then try connecting again. But if you're still facing issues, you may need to reset your Sony headphones. So for that, from your Android device, go to Bluetooth. On your Bluetooth list, just forget the Sony XM6 headphone. So now turn off your headphones by pressing the power button until the blue light goes off. Now press and hold the power button and the noise cancellation button together for about 20 to 25 seconds until the blue light blinks 4 times. Now wait about 5 seconds, then turn your headphones back on by pressing the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the blue light starts blinking. Now your Sony WH-1000XM6 should appear in the Bluetooth list and you can pair it successfully. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.